Hey y'all, welcome back. Scotty B Scrapped here. Haven't posted anything in about 2 weeks. Been having problems with my GoPro off and on, so here's a montage of the last, well, I'll say 8 days of scrapping off and on, and the tickets and all that. So again, hope you had a happy new year, and like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get my notifications if you like. Comment, good or bad, and let's get her done. It was a good week. So I got some stuff here. This thing's super heavy. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. I can't take that. It's a nice little score here. That was heavy. too long. Not too shabby. I don't think I'll be able to. I don't think I'll be able to get that in there. It's just too long. Okay. No. I wonder. Let's try something here. Oops. Whatever that sticks out. I think we're good there. Didn't even need the cart. Oh yeah, not too much talking. Well, that was a Facebook pickup. Sadly, I can't take that fence. They won't take it. So, yeah, that sucks. Anyway, it's just a Facebook pickup. So I thought I'd take you along with me. I haven't done anything in a week. It's been too cold. But anyway, we got her. She's hanging out the window, but we got her. So I got a little bit of this BX wire here, and I'm gonna strip it. So I'll show you how you do that.
Okay, what next?
So yeah, I don't know if you've seen that, but
this year, give the gift of technology.
This GoPro is really weird. It repaired the file, I don't know. But if you can see in there, that's all single-stranded stuff. So I'll show you stripping that when I get the casing off.
All new made to express.
Sorry, I got the basketball game on. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Non-ferrous, love it. Copper, copper, copper. So I'm just watching some college basketball. Got my stripper here. So for me to take care of this, I just do this.
Become an agent of innovation with Invesco. Before investing, carefully read and consider fund
Get a little gap there.
Delicious dipping sauces, perfectly sized to share with a friend, coworker, or the CEO of your favorite restaurant. My new $5
Peel her up.
big box, only a Jack in the Box.
And hopefully
It's about your
she
food.
pulls right off.
Spray on flavor and powdered meat. It's time for fresh food that belongs in the fridge next to our food. Now, who's hungry?
Cut that.
A new home and new projects go hand in hand. With the Home Depot app, you'll pick it up
Your
in
ground wire
you can pick up new skills in our homeowner 101
and
workshops.
your
Pick up
single
new power
strip. So I got all the wires stripped. I should have separated it. But I'm just gonna do one little piece just to show you. I'm not gonna do it all, but it's pretty easy. Like that. Like that. You know, sit around, watch some sports or TV or whatever it is you like to watch. I like to watch sports. Kind of get it straight here. There you have it. You got your bare bite copper right there. So I'm gonna do this. Thanks. I have no idea what's going on with this camera. It's starting to piss me off. The last one just came out super easy. So I'm gonna do a little non-ferrous run. I got all these to strip, but they're kind of a pain. So I'm gonna take one and see if they'll take it as is. I got clean extruded here. This, my brass. I believe that's brass. That's steel. There's some brass in it, but I'm not worried about that. Got the brass plug here. Anyway, brass. We'll see what they take that, and I'm gonna go get my wire. So we'll see. A couple $100, I assume. After I get the wire, I'll show you. All right. So here's the prices of the non-ferrous I brought in. You can see yellow brass, 25 pounds, $2.65 a ton for 66 and a quarter. Number 2 insulated, 90 pounds, $1.25 a pound for 112. Low grade wire, that big bucket I found just sitting on the road, 61 pounds, 75 cents for 45.75. Bear Bright, which you saw me stripping, was only 8 pounds at $4.65 a pound for 37.20. And clean extrusion, that's I had some that I found in those metal bars for 71 pounds at 75 cents for 53, for a grand total of $34.95. So I just got called to come get the snowblower. Yeah, got all Facebook. So I'll pull it out. And when I went to go get this, I seen a fridge. So let's see if it's there. So I went and I got the snowblower in, and my buddy had a bunch of heating and cooling stuff. So I loaded that in too. So I found a few things without the GoPro. Well, looks like a microwave, very old one. Some rotors back there. Stove. Or washer, I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna go take this back. And see what it weighs and pays. Then I'm gonna load this bad boy in. And my buddy's got some other stuff, so I'm gonna go get it. Anyway, I'll get you a weigh and pay. So I got the snowblower in, and my buddy had all kinds of other heating and cooling shred. So got a decent load here. Hot water tank, bathtub, and a bunch of other Trotsky stuff. So we'll go see what she weighs and pays. All right. A little bit of metal here. Nothing crazy. But let's throw it in. It's Monday night. Minus 20. And we're out getting some scrap. So let's go. We got a unicycle here. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Alright, let's keep going. She's a chilly one. Alright. Yeah, I know. A vacuum here with a nice cord on it. Why not? Why not? I've been cruising for about 15 minutes, give or take. I can't say, you know, it's hard to gauge. Got a few things, so it is what it is. Alright, keep moving on. Microwave. Frozen stiff. Nice piece of carpet there, if that's your shtick. All right. Looks like a clothes rack here. Probably gonna screw me up, but we'll put it in anyway. No. What the fuck is going on? Whatever. I don't want to keep slamming it in front of these people's house. I'll fix it. Alright, keep moving. Good old bed rails here. Oh. Oh well, whatever. We got a chair here. We got some super duper slim pickings tonight again. I think this weather just sucks. You know, you never know what's out there if you don't go. You never know unless you go, is what I always say, but I don't know if the lemon's worth the squeeze. Anyway, keep cruising. Fuck it, I'll take the whole thing. I'll take the whole thing. Why not? Why not? Every time a stupid door. Christmas tree's got some heavy pulls in her. Normally I wouldn't take the box, but whatever. Oh well. Slow night, desperate. Take what you get. Hello, folks. Sorry, I went out last night and found some stuff. The camera wasn't working. I got a new SIM card, and this is what I found. Some fans, lamps, just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So let's load it up. Let's load it up and get it out. So here's the first load. 2C's lawnmower, sadly. Microwave, some bed rails, a stove, and a gutted, dryer, and some other stuff. Motor. Yeah, so these look like in good shape. I got no wing attached in it. So 1, 2 air conditioners, 2 more microwaves, a trunk lid, and some, some cords, fans, just miscellaneous junk, and this desk. Yeah. Alright. Let's get way up here. So there you have it. I lost all kinds of clips. Anyway, we had a price drop, but that one load with the heating stuff and the snowblower was 840 pounds at $295 a ton for 123. Yeah, this is a price drop. 2 loads that I had. A lot of video didn't get recorded, just sheet iron. 760 pounds, 89.30, 340 pounds for 39.95, 480 pounds for 56.40. 320 for 37.60, 680 for 79.90. Now this one was these big industrial racks that I had, and I went back twice, and they both weighed the same. Tomorrow I'm going back, and hopefully I can get some footage, so I'll show you that. So yeah, there's 680 and another 680. What are the odds? Too bad that the price dropped Monday, and I get this stuff 2 days later. I was getting $295. Anyway, another 440 pounds, 51.70, and then you've seen the low grade or the non-ferrous stuff. So thanks for hanging out. Sorry the video is not the best because the GoPro just decides when it wants to save and not save. So that's it for this episode. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment, good, bad. And I thank all you ladies and gentlemen and all other 62 genders of the world. Be safe, have fun, and let's scrap our butts off. Cheers, mates.